with like, are those glasses?
Yeah,
Oh,
yeah, they're glasses.
Like, how are you getting these videos
Yeah.
that are online? And I'm like, where are you having this body cam?
I got a.
You didn't know he had them?
No, why would I know?
I thought it was a game. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
No, I swear I've been out there like, you got a camera on? Like, yeah, it's right here. Yeah.
Right here.
No, but Vic had some. Vic had some, but his is like expensive ones. I was like, let me see if I can find some. Went on Temu, found some for $26. Like, let me see if they work. Like, shit, they work. Okay, we're good.
26.
Yeah.
Nice. Probably paid more in shipping.
Right? So no, I was just saying, no, actually I had to think about it, like, no, I think it took like 3 weeks, but we're good.
It took a
They
month.
definitely came from China.
Yeah, right,
Yeah.
Should have had him on for that trip.
Yeah.
Carrier. But yeah, I'm surprised they work as good as they do. I'm like, hey, as long as they're out here, I don't care what happens to them. Now I went through a couple 5-man seasons, got hit in the face. Like, all right, we're good. We're still rolling. They got what I paid for already. We're good.
Yeah, right.
Listen, we're doing a Fago reunion. Specifically to take them out.
Well, I guess I gotta leave. Kenny is starting that team up again. I gotta go play on that team.
Hey, Kelly and Cassie said they were in.
Yep.
So we got the girls back.
We got Andrew, Corey, me, Kenny.
Our run is over. Completely over. Alright, so this is our second game right now.
Yeah, this counts. This counts. We're playing the third.
Oh, okay. So I'm not getting asked today, that's what you're telling me.
Oh, you are.
I mean,
You have the whole rest of the day.
Wait, what? We're playing?
Yeah,
Why
we're
y'all
yelling.
Every 5 minutes, somebody else finds out.
This is Sunday. This is the Lord's day.
We shall be glad.
More NFL football.
Right?
Let's
Yeah.
eat a fruit. Not you, Turd. I know you Muslim. You don't eat pork. Not you, brother.
Good grab, good grab.
Watch out for the fat white guy. The tall one.
I almost wore mine today.
Same thing.
All right.
I'll get him.
All right.
I got prime time. I do it.
Okay, that's us.
I take it back.
Gotcha.
Prime time with the t-shirt. Go.
I got him. Ball. Yep.
Yeah, you gotta be careful in that middle. He used it in
All right.
Really? That's a rule?
Ooh, I got a question. Don't stray too far.
Yeah, if you throw back twice, you must run.
It's a different 5 then?
Yeah, 5 you can do on the
Back up,
All right.
please. Back up, please.
Okay.
8,
Hey.
7,
All right.
6.
Coming across.
Woo!
Oh. What's the call?
It's a pick down right there.
Yeah! Yeah!
He didn't have to.
Yeah!
He didn't have to.
As long as they ain't turn it off, we're good. That's the pick.
You caught it?
Yeah, he said a pick.
He ain't have control of that.
He ain't have control of that shit.
You must survive the ground.
I did, and then I threw it to him after I got down.
Now you're all good.
Huh? Oh, I'm cool.
Now you gotta go home and take a shower.
My daughter will tell her. She gonna say something as soon as I get in the car anyway.
You need one?
Hey, you're dirty. I gotta drive anyway.
God damn.
You're right, yeah. Don't back up. 1 foot, Lance.
Careful.
Go, 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 go!
Oh my God.
He thought he was going to take off, man.
I like how he stayed in too. I said, oh, this.
No, that cone messed me up. Ooh, ooh! That cone messed me up. He ran outside the cone. I'm like, he's out. Oh, he's not? Shit. Yeah, because I didn't see that one.
You got favoritism.
I ain't gonna comment until I see it. No further comment until I see it. I'm gonna go with what the ref said, and we're gonna go from there.
Back. He likes to run. Break it down.
Ooh, oh.
I still want to see that, even though you're probably gonna delete it.
No, I said I'll keep it. Hey, I'm gonna keep my pick. I'm gonna cut it right before it pops up. Yeah. It shook after that. I don't know what happened. It's gonna come back in. He's gonna say you got to pick. I'm like, oh, there you go. That's it.
He's saying it, it's probably not even gonna have an angle. And I'm gonna call it conspiracy.
Hey, there's AI and everything. I told you, no further comment. No further comment.
The sky, right? Because his glasses were on top of his head.
There we go.
You just gotta wash it. You got a little bad hair. You're like a little right here too. When you see the wrinkles?
The angle might be a different story.
Y'all make fun of me being pasty, but you can't tell if something's wrong with me. You know what I mean? You got scratch. That's how you can tell.
Here we go.
There we go. Yeah.
Oh, you good. Yeah, you good.
Yeah, if I was healthier, you're a little, I don't know how you're feeling. I feel alright, I just don't want to do it right away. Me and Mike killed it, and AO I think just as good.
Yeah, I haven't seen here before, so
but it's probably going to be raw as.
You're good. Go. Yeah. No. What? Yeah, we'll see.
Quarterback, so you're not going to have to.
It's only the middle.
I walked around this at 8 o'clock, and I was like,
yeah, it's the middle.
It's only the middle. Like, this out here is cool.
It's
it. Yeah. Like, it's only the middle.
The part is I'm moving this field over 3 more yards that way, because that way I can get some space from the corner of the thing.
Gotcha.
Ready. Let's go.
Uh-oh. Ooh. Gimme! Ooh.
That's fine. We'll define the penalty.
No.
Take the pick.
Hey, Reed.
I
You guys can stay on if you want.
Y'all 4.
Alright, is that what the call is?
Yeah.
Vocalization.
He was asking. I gave it. I just didn't want to say anything until someone declined the penalty. I declined it.
Yep.
I apologize. I'll make my kids. As soon as someone said decline, then I understood. Then I explained it.
It's like playing dead ball, but we don't. I was way past last year.
Yeah, you were like a full yard. I thought
Yeah.
you were about to take off. I was like, oh, shit. Yeah, that's what it looked. I was like, why is he running? And then all of a sudden I see you cock back. I'm like, oh no. This is gonna be good.
Here we go.
Okay. Bro, I'm done playing off. Hey Joe, go quarterback. He's done playing offense. What? What's that? Figure something out with Skylar and Martin. It's gonna be a long day. It would be a loss of down. Go, come straight out.
What's that?
Right off the bat, he comes this way, goes that way. I'm gonna go out and push for you.
Gotcha.
Basically, just like a center read. If his first step
Is out
to
to
me,
you.
then I'm gonna
Look
bump
for
down,
that, yeah.
and you take.
Okay.
I'm gonna try to force him inside.
Gotcha.
I'll go down, you sit back.
All right.
You get back.
Yep. Here we go. Third in line.
Third down.
What's that?
He's gonna try to get out quick.
Just watch this. They do that again. I'm gonna bite. I'm gonna go. Exactly. 10, 9, 8. Go. Right here, Blake's there.
Ooh.
Good catch.
Good coverage. Yep. Come down. Woo.
I produced though. Give me my money.
1 minute. 1 minute.
I will let you throw the ball at people as long as they catch it. Now they don't catch it, that's when I got the ball.
Quicker out of the huddle there, Joe. 10. Quicker out of the huddle. 9, you already know. 8. 7.
Second. Out. Gotcha. Oh. Here we go. You got it.
Man, I can't get on this field.
Go on for 2.
You gotta throw the short ball first. That was second down. That's half time, too. Either had beans or what?
Perfecto.
Quick. Second down. You hear me, Joe? Second down. Throw the pitch ball.
Got one more after this show. Did I look bad? You see my interception? Did it look crazy? Yeah. It looked like it hurt. No.
You guys were like, oh, we're going to come after the fight, and then they all started drinking or whatever.
Yeah. That's why I said throw it short. Yeah, that was definitely me. That's not work against four for left. Not when there's three people there.
Get off the field, Joe. Trying to throw extra people out there.
Under, right.
Here we go. Here we go.
Pitch.
He said, nah.
Kenny's like, oh,
Right? He got real quiet over it. I was like, oh, he's waiting for it.
it's a shot. Joe. Joe.
Come on, yeah. Extra yard, Doc.
That's why on second out, sometimes you get lucky and you score someone from the flag, but now you just get in the habit of running out right there. So then,
Yeah, Black Cat said you was going up to Youngstown. Yo, what happened?
like having an extra play.
He said you was on the team.
Yeah, I know. I told him I couldn't go out there.
Stay short. You only got to go. Stay short. There it is.
Woo!
For a touchdown on 3 plays.
Good throw.
He almost dropped it. He scared me.
Yeah, you got to snatch that out of here.
Wait, 1, 2.
Oh, okay.
Showing our defense up.
I was gonna say they know how to play.
Yeah, we still trying to figure shit out.
Yeah.
First time playing with these boys.
Okay, yeah. No, this shit is difficult. It's 4, man. It's quick. Whoa! We're in there. We're in there.
Good shit, Kenny. Good shit, Lance. I don't know what that was, but
Right. Let's go. Yep. Coming across. Good grab, Andrew. Here we go. Good play.
hey, make sure you're talking because if they're doing twins, they're just crossing.
Yeah. Yep.
Andrew, you still want to sit 3 if they do double? They do double, I'm going down.
No. Oh, like they just did? Gotcha,
I'm
yeah.
going down,
Yeah.
he's over here, yeah.
Yeah.
Come in. Yeah, yep.
Ah! Yep.
Good shit.
Yep. Third down.
We gotta get to the first here.
I'm cold. Yeah.
Here we go.
We gotta hit.
Yep.
We gotta get to the first.
Coming across. I got deep.
Hey, 2 flies and do an out left. I'm looking for the goes. I go around. Get past your guy.
Somebody got a red? Alright.
Yeah.
Go! Hey, ball, that's you, boy! Let's go!
Good shit. Oh, you right? You're good.
Listen, draw back. Good. Now this time you're posting. I know you're.
Okay.
Hey, you're doing a hook to a post that way. He's gonna clear it out, then you hook a post that way.
Last time I read it, take it down. Okay, you got this. I'm not gonna do it now. I'll wait till games are over. That's it. I like the game.
Damn!
Got a flag on it. Hey, I'm on the right. Hey, I'm on the right.
Mike, I need one.
Down, baby, money down. What happened?
You're cheating out there. Said you pushed off.
Wow.
I seen you. You pushed him all the way to the turf.
I'm going to hook into him.
Hey, who's playing quarterback? Joe. Joe.
Where's the spot then?
Come on, man.
Third down?
Yeah, third down.
I didn't see it.
That's because we ran, like when I ran my curl, he was coming all the way up.
Just ran into
I
each
had
other,
him cooked.
yeah.
I mean, he did especially, he basically tried to wall it.
Yeah.
What shirt you wearing for free?
Ball.
Yeah, keep going.
Bro, you got a ball, right? A little bit, yeah.
Huh?
Yeah, Joe, you got a ball.
How bad was it? Like,
I didn't see. I was like, what? I thought they got that catch.
when I ran a curl, it came up when I went going to the post.
One more
ran into him.
for D.
You good, Josh?
On that play? Yeah. He just ran out of time. The drop back was covered. He just passed through it.
Come on, his mark. No, right there on turtle.
After this.
Go.
What?
I don't know if he was going to try it or not.
Yeah, I knew he was going to try and sneak that in. Let's go play here, man.
All right. I'm good.
Your guy gets the handoff or drops back or whatever, just go in.
Gotcha.
Yeah, the whole way.
Why are you a dirty player, bro? Look, he's coming all the way up when I ran up there. I just turned up and went. Well, that's because like I saw him, so I did the natural little. That's what got me. I think I was like running normal.
All right. Yep. I got one coming to cut. Ooh, good grab. Yep.
Oh, inside, yeah. Okay.
It's Rivers, man. All right.
What down is it?
Third.
Let's get a stop, y'all.
You want me to get center?
Yeah, gotcha.
I'll take that.
Pressure right. Go.
Here we go.
That was me, Joe.
Good job, Kenny.
Yep.
That was me, Joe.
Good call.
That was it. Get you a quick brief. Oh, Boof, they're fighting already.
Come on now. Huh? No. That was. I was looking for that note.
That chocolate Twinkie.
I switched from him because
Yeah,
Goodnight switched over the corner.
Somebody got their hand in there.
As soon as I seen Goodnight come over, that play was out.
Yeah, you don't want to try
I
me.
pinched.
Oh, here we go.
Now let him pass the first. Nah, I was worried.
He's just running plays and then somebody's wide open.
That's how it is, yeah.
Julius Tillman.
No, I didn't want to get that flag. Kind of late there, just like
I was gonna say you either got to talk if you're doing zone, if you're playing man. You just gotta know.
Yeah. They just gotta be on the same page.
But like y'all, it gets tight down in the red zone. So do everything good down here. You just gotta stay down tight in the red zone.
see that delay. It was a delayed switch. That's what I was.
Good catch.
That's a football play right there. It's deep. He just gets up there and he's hangs. I got shit up there like
I ain't got no insurance, man. I'm already slipping on.
Yeah, me too. I had it, man.
Hey, what I said, Big Diddy, come on now. Big Diddy, let's go.
I knew they was coming back with it. Y'all might be able to.
Unless you want to rush, it don't matter. They know it don't matter.
Score check.
You don't know how to count?
33. 33 to what? 0. Oh. What?
You don't know how to count? Why you got it?
Oh, yeah, you got a touchdown.
He called a pick.
They call it pick? Alright, we are not getting nuked here.
Ooh! I like the subtle, just chill. Anybody want safety? You good? I'll take it. All right.
Good job.
1 minute. 1 minute. Hey, what's the hurry up? What's the hurry up? What's the hurry up, guys? What's the hurry up? Watch the huddle here.
Right?
Man, can we get off the line, please? Thank you. What's Kenny's legs? Hey. Ready. Set, go. Go. Nice.
Yeah, all right, bro.